Hey guys, Ed here, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to remove your rear side door panel in a 2019 Nissan Altima. So let's start. So open the door and take a seat. Now for this procedure we will need 10mm ratchet with a socket, 10mm, and flathead screwdriver. So let's start. Over here we have two caps we'll have to remove. We have to remove this cap. I mean, not the cap, it's actually cover. So we have to remove one, use two hands, and the second one goes in here carefully and remove covers. Here inside we have two screws, 1 and 2. They are both 10mm, so remove them. Okay. Once we have this screw out and this screw out, take flathead screwdriver again, and we'll have to remove this up topper cover. Carefully, very carefully, try to get find a spot where it's better to get the screwdriver, and this looks like a good spot here. And try to just raise up a little bit, then just get your fingers and rise up. Don't force it too much. Push you guys here for a second. Try to do this with two hands. I don't want to break nothing. Might also help with the screwdriver. Okay. It didn't want to come out easy. It's fighting me. Okay, nice. So we get it out, remove the connector, just press this middle piece, press on it, and pull this thing off. Okay, at this point we got out all screws we had to take out. Now at this point everything's being held down by clips. So how do we remove clips? Find the grabbing point. Let's find some grabbing point here. Okay, this looks good. Somewhere here. Okay, so get your hand inside and pull. Don't rush it, just pull steadily, like this. Nice. Pull off. This thing might happen. You might lose clips, but you can just put the clip back in. After that we will have to remove connectors, links from handles, like this and like this, and that's it. Our panel is off. Here we have access to whatever we have to do with it. Okay, just take this off for now, and then you can just glue it back on. Window motor or glass or whatever you have to change, now you're able to get there. After you're done with your work, just same way, connect connectors, links, put the top on first. Now the thing is, we have to connect. We have to go. The connector, the clips should go in holes, and then just tap on them, and they will hold. Don't lose this wire. That's it. Very simple. Now let's put back this thing. Connect it and put it back in. That's it. Clip it in. And what's left is 2 screws, 2 covers. So take this bolt, it goes in here, take this screw, it goes in here, then close them with covers and you're all set. So guys, I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.